In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format the Gantt chart in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know how to make your schedule clearer, more readable, and ready for stakeholders without changing any of the underlying task data. Start by making sure you're actually looking at the Gantt chart. Go to the View tab and choose Gantt chart. When this view is active, you'll see the Gantt chart format tab appear. To control how your taskbars look, open the Bar Styles settings. You can click the arrow under Format on the Gantt Chart Format tab, or simply double-click in an empty area of the chart and choose Bar Styles. In the Bar Styles window, select the type of bar you want to format, such as Task, Summary, or Critical. On the Bars tab, pick the colors, patterns, and the shapes used at the start, middle, and end of the bar. Click OK to apply. If you just need to call attention to a single task, right-click its bar and choose Format Bar to style that one item without affecting the rest. If you want task information to appear right on the bars, open Bar Styles again and switch to the Text tab for the bar type you're editing. Choose which fields to display and where they should appear: left, right, inside, top, or bottom. Built-in fields like task name and %complete are great for most needs, and you can also use custom fields such as text1 or text2 when you want specialized labels. Keep labels concise so the chart stays readable. For a quick visual refresh without manual tweaking, use the preset Gantt chart styles on the Gantt chart format tab. Picking a style applies a coordinated color scheme and formatting choices across the chart, which is especially helpful when you need a polished look fast. You can change styles anytime. To fine-tune readability, open Layout from the Gantt chart format tab. Increase or decrease the bar height to fit more tasks on screen or make individual bars easier to see. Under Links, choose whether dependency lines are straight or curved, or hide them when the network gets too busy and you're focusing on the bars themselves. Finally, adjust grid lines and the timescale. Right-click in a blank area of the chart and choose Grid Lines. Decide which lines you want to show, such as row lines or the current date, and pick colors and styles that create just enough contrast. On the View tab, use the timescale drop-down to switch between days, weeks, or months, or open Timescale for detailed control of the top, middle, and bottom tiers and their labels. From there, you can also format non-working time, choosing a color or pattern that clearly separates working and non-working periods. Test these changes as you go. Small, thoughtful adjustments will make your Gantt chart easier to read, share, and trust.